Attention, delivering care package.
T, it's me. I'm using the drone's encryption protocol. Only you can hear me. Whoever they are, they came to my place. I got away, but they caught up with me. I thought they were going to kill me. I thought they killed you.
Kill leader appointed.
They found a new kill leader.
They threw me in a room. They questioned me, wanted to know about the algorithm, how we found it. Then they wanted to know about you. You got away, and really pissed them off. No, I didn't tell them anything. So they said they were gonna move me to a secure location. They didn't know the doors had overrides. That's how I got away. They also didn't know about the back doors into their security archive. I'm safe. I'm laying low. But you gotta know, they're working for one guy. I don't know his name, but he's watching you. From the inside. Trust me. And be careful. 영원한 가족.
Forever family.